In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete addresses on AOL. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL in the search bar and press enter. On the results page, you should see the official AOL site near the top, usually showing the familiar blue logo. If you see extra words like mail or login next to it, that is fine. Those all lead to the same AOL family of pages. Once the results load, click the correct AOL link and then click Sign In. The Sign In button usually appears in the upper right corner of the page. When you click it, the screen changes to the login page where you can enter your username and password. After you sign in, you should land in your AOL mail inbox or the main AOL homepage with a mail option at the top. With your account open, click the settings icon in the upper right corner and select More Settings. The settings icon looks like a small gear symbol. When you click it, a small menu appears below the icon. In that list, find the option labeled More Settings and click it. The screen will switch to a new page that shows a left sidebar with several categories and a main area on the right with different options. Next, select Security and Privacy from the left sidebar column. Look carefully down the left side for the Security and Privacy entry. It is usually below options like Mailbox or Viewing Email. Click Security and Privacy once. When you do, the main panel on the right updates and shows options that control blocked senders, privacy choices, and related security items for your AOL mail. Now scroll down to the Blocked Addresses section. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right until you see a heading that says Blocked Addresses. Just below that heading, you should see a list of email addresses that you or someone else has blocked on this account. These are the senders whose messages are automatically filtered so they never reach your inbox. After that, hover your mouse over the email address you want to remove and click the trash can delete icon next to it. When you move your mouse over one of the blocked addresses, a small trash can icon appears to the right of that address. Click that trash can once to delete the blocked address. The email address should disappear from the list right away, and that means it is no longer blocked, so future messages from that sender will arrive again in your AOL mail. You have now cleaned up your AOL blocked addresses list by removing the addresses you no longer want blocked. If this helped you manage your AOL mail better, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple email tips.